Yeah, my name is Mike Sessler, and we are a company called Vantage Pro. We work primarily in the installed integration world of the house of worship market. We're based in Texas. We started in 2019, and we are currently running at about 8 employees. I've been using D-Tools SI even prior to this company. I've been using it for over a decade now. It is absolutely critical to our business. We run pretty much everything through SI, from our catalog management, all of our proposals, our complete project management, POs, drawings, everything runs out of SI. So it's been fantastically important for what we do. I think my favorite feature of SI is that everything is in one place. So we have not only the initial proposal, but then the actual project lives there as well. All of our drawings integrate with that. POs get ordered and received, and all the inventory management happens through there. So it's a great one-stop shop for our entire project management cycle. It has absolutely helped us just keep track of everything. We do several hundred projects per year all over the country, and I don't think we could possibly do it without SI. Thinking back to a project where SI was really critical for us, we were introduced to a project where the customer was looking at a couple of different options and who they wanted to go with. And ultimately what won us the project were the drawings that we produced, which again, we produced them with SI. And having that ability to produce really high quality drawings, the architect actually looked at our drawings and said, I don't know who these guys are, but hire them because they know what they're doing. So the integration with SI and the project and the proposals and everything that we can do with the project database and tying it in with the blocks with AutoCAD, allowing us to do that helps us win business and helps us do business more efficiently. D-Tools SI is really the only product that I've seen where you can manage the entire project lifestyle, from the proposal through the design engineering process, ordering, receiving, shipping, getting everything out to the job site, installing it, and then even doing service plans after the sale for ongoing service. It all happens in one spot in SI, and it's just been a fantastic tool for us. Yeah, our experience with D-Tools as a company has been phenomenal. Just telling one of the folks here, one of the few companies where I see software getting better with every release, not worse. And D-Tools is very good at listening to customer feedback. And like the latest version of software has stuff that I specifically asked for in it. And talking with the trainers, getting to know some of the people here that work at the company, they're very responsive to tech support questions.